Yo, what's going on? So today we have a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Lady Demands to Speak to General Manager. All right, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they're actually talking about here.
Police respond to a Domino's Pizza where a woman is refusing to leave unless she's able to speak with the general manager.
The number thing that it is.
Sorry?
Hi, how are you?
Hi,
doing?
how are you?
I'm doing well.
So what's going on?
I've asked him to speak to the manager. Apparently he's the assistant manager. He doesn't even want to call them to come up here. He doesn't want to do anything. I have an issue and he's not.
Manager is on her way.
And that's fine. So I'd like to talk.
Do you have an
to...
ID on you?
No, I don't have my ID on me at all.
You were also vaping in the store, being loud and rude.
I hit the vape twice, and yes, I was loud.
No
Like,
smoking.
Okay.
Fine.
What's your first name?
It's not gonna happen.
What's your first name?
When the general manager gets here, then I will talk to the general manager.
What is your first name? Or do you want me to escort you out of here?
I want to talk to the general manager.
Okay. I'm asking you a question, and you're gonna answer it, or I'm gonna forcefully
I
make
told
you
you
leave.
I will answer.
Listen, she better tighten up. She better tighten up, man. As a female, the worst thing that can happen to you is another female officer pull up on you. Listen, we all know the ladies, they be beefing. You know what I'm saying? A lady civilian is much better off with a male, right? Versus a female officer, because she ain't gonna play no games with you. She gonna get you online quick, fast, and in a hurry. But let's see what happens though.
General manager.
Okay, I'm not waiting for the general manager.
That's great. You're here for what? Somebody trespassing? This is public property.
No, it's not. This is a business. This is not public property.
And I'm waiting for a business person.
Okay. I will have your information, and then...
As soon as the business person gets
No,
here.
you're gonna tell me now, or you're gonna be escorted out.
So the cop showed up before the general manager did. I'm not leaving here until the general manager gets here, because I'm not talking to the cop until the general
Did you
manager.
drive here? You can stay in your car.
I didn't drive here. I walked here.
Okay.
So there we go. Again, I am here until
Okay,
the general...
they called...
You and
Listen,
I-
no, you're gonna listen to me. No.
we are not arguing, lady.
Out. Go.
She's trying to pull me out of the
She ain't ready for
property.
you.
She gonna get you together.
Anyway,
You
I'm-
better
They will show up
relax.
and speak to you, but you're gonna leave because they want you to leave.
Can we just wait here?
No,
Not be
you're gonna wait outside.
I'm not doing anything. We can sit here and wait.
No,
inside.
you're gonna wait
This is
outside.
set. Okay.
You either get up and leave, or I
She
make
better
her
act
leave.
right.
She's talking to me like she's.
You want her to leave, right?
Yes,
No,
Exactly.
I'm not coming home.
She
Like,
was being rude.
You have 2 seconds to get up, or I'm gonna forcefully make you leave.
I'm not coming home. I'm talking to the fucking general manager.
Okay, you can
I'm
talk to
getting
general
this out.
manager.
She better act right, boy. Trying to tell you. She gonna get you together. It's about to go down. All right, know it. It's going down.
I swear to God, everybody with a fucking badge and gun thinks they can.
Okay, now that we're outside, what is your name?
I am not talking to you till the general manager gets here.
You are going to leave, and I'm gonna tell you to leave.
am
Because you're being
not-
trespassed.
You can tell me to leave. I am not talking to you till the general manager gets here. I have done nothing wrong. Lady, don't touch me. Jeff.
You get on the ground, or I'm up.
Stop resisting!
I'm not resisting.
Put your...
Stupid fucking bitches are all the time flooding me. I didn't do
Stop
shit.
resisting!
All I wanted was a general
resisting.
I'm
manager.
gonna tase you if you keep resisting.
Oh my God.
Ready? Give me your
There
fucking
you go,
hands.
you stupid bitch.
You could have made it simple, but look.
It was simple. You could have hung out in there and been quiet.
No, because I don't work for Domino's Pizza. I work for the Rockland Police Department.
Exactly, but yeah, here you are doing Domino's Pizza
Stop.
bullshit.
Don't move your hand.
I mean, are you gonna cuff it or not?
Will you shut up?
I mean, I'm holding patiently. Are you scared?
So you're gonna give me your name now?
Nope, not till the general manager got
Well,
here.
guess
like
what?
I told you.
You're not gonna deal with the general manager because you're going to jail. Knees to chest.
All I told you
Knees
was
to
I
chest.
wanted to talk to the general manager.
Well,
This
too
is
bad.
Fucking bullshit. Y'all are bullshit. I wasn't even resisting. She was pulling my
Turn around.
fucking hair. You were fighting me. I was just telling you all I wanted to do was talk to the goddamn
Well, guess
general
what? I
manager.
told you it wasn't gonna work.
No, wait, because you're a bitch. Obviously, you got
Spread your
something to prove.
Spread your feet. I don't care if it's your wife.
No, I did not. She touched me. No, I didn't. I didn't touch her.
Sit
She
down.
fucking touched me. Stupid bitch.
You've been trying to get a hold with their management for all afternoon. You've been trying to get a hold of their management.
No,
all
I'm not.
afternoon. Please tell me what I can do.
She's under arrest.
I know she is right now, but why? Why? Because we asked for a manager and they didn't want to give us the information to call?
And this bitch right here.
Okay. That's.
Okay, well I want to file a formal fucking complaint about this fucking store then.
You can do that.
Okay, well then let's do that at the same fucking time.
What's
then.
her first
No,
name?
we're gonna do that formal complaint first.
All right, sir. I'm gonna have to ask you to leave, or you'll be trespassed also. You can leave.
I can't file a formal complaint.
What complaint do you want to file? You do that with the Better Business Bureau.
I've been trying to. I've been trying to contact them all afternoon.
Okay, you
That's
can do
why
that
we
with
came
them.
up here.
Okay, you can do that with them
Why is my wife being arrested?
because she resisted the officer.
No, she did not.
Okay, well, you can take that up in the courts with. She's going to go to jail today. So there's a process. You can follow that process.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Man, get this goofball out of here too, man. He cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs just like her. Both whack jobs. You want to talk to the general manager? Like, come on, get out of here. What's wrong with the store, the assistant manager for the store? What's wrong with that? You want to speak to the general manager like he's gonna do something for little old you. Man, come on, man. You got to be kidding me. And then you got this wacko over here. She didn't resist. Oh, really? I want to file a complaint. He said, go file it with BBB. Better Business Bureau. Go file it with them. Oh, gosh. You can't make this stuff up.
I can't take my wife home.
No, she's going to jail. I told you that 3 times already.
What's your let me get your badge number. Let me get anything else. Let me get her number as well and badge number as well too. So,
So Officer
thank you.
Chris had ID 223, and that's Officer Weaver, and her ID number is 216.
Hang on. Sir?
So you can go ahead and leave now.
No, I want your badge number.
I already gave it to you. You
No.
can go ahead and leave.
All right, well, I'm going to call your non-emergency line then. I'm going to stand right here.
Okay, I'm going to arrest you for trespassing, just like her, and you can both go to jail.
That's fine. I'll go back to my house and I'll call your non-emergency line and get both your badge numbers.
I already gave them to you. 223
Good choice.
216.
On this an episode of Congress. Come on now.
Saida was charged with resisting without violence and trespassing. We found this wasn't the first time she's gotten arrested in Brevard County. On April 1st, 2023, she was arrested for battery on an officer or EMT.
Wow, her mugshots are ugly. I ain't gonna lie to you. The officer said, well, you will be arrested for trespassing as well. That boy got right in his car. He said, "Er." He spun around, went right in his car. Good choice. Good choice. All of that over some dominoes. You got to be kidding me. I think the officers did a good job. You know, like I said, when you got a female officer dealing with a female suspect, oh, they about to clash. It's going to go down. So I give these officers 4 out of 5. They did pretty good. Good response time, good help. So all that good stuff. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.